What we like to do is make sure that the pier is perfectly level both ways. You see that? It's absolutely perfect. Another quick tip that we have for you folks is when you're doing the alignment with the existing 4x4s, see we have two of them there, you like to get a string, and you can see it's perfectly right there. I just lined up with the other post. And you see we have a pencil mark right here. So when the 4x4 is right there, it'll be in the center of the pier. And right there is absolutely perfect. Perfect alignment. Hello everyone, this is Howard from Diego Remodeling. What we did here is replace the 4x4 post on this existing patio cover. You see from our other pictures it had extensive dry rot and termite damage down at the bottom, so we put a new concrete pier. Now we're getting ready to prime and paint it. Hello everyone, this is Howard from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is we had a post replacement on this existing patio cover, and now we're just doing the final painting. I can see that. Replace this patio post on this patio cover. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your post replacements. We put a new concrete pier here and a new wood post. Have a great day and bye for now.